All right, well, February is Heart Month, and tonight a new survey is shedding light on what Americans think about heart health and the barriers to being more healthy.
Not surprisingly, the cost of food is a top concern. Dr. Frank McGeorge here with a closer look at the results. It is too bad sometimes that healthier food is not as inexpensive as the bad stuff, right?
Well, right. And, that's part of the issue. The price is really a barrier to a lot of people. And the price of food in general has risen significantly. But it's the cost of healthy food that nearly half of those surveyed said was the biggest roadblock when it came to eating a more heart-healthy diet.
A national survey by the Cleveland Clinic finds 46% of Americans view healthy food as being more expensive. 23% say they lack time to prepare healthy meals, and 20% don't know how to cook healthy food. That's a major problem, says cardiologist Dr. Leslie Cho.
It's really sad that in our economic times, people feel that eating heart healthy is more expensive. Heart healthy diet is the cornerstone of how we lower the risk of cardiovascular disease.
Experts say you can save money by picking produce that's in season or by buying canned fruits and vegetables. And you don't have to buy organic, which is significantly more expensive.
As long as we eat the rainbow of colors in your fruit and vegetables, that's good for you and good for your cardiovascular health.
The survey also found some Americans are unclear on which diets are the healthiest for their hearts. 10% chose a fast food diet as heart healthy. 45% of those polled purchase fast food at least once a week.
Eating a diet high in trans fat lowers our good cholesterol, and eating a diet that's very heavy in fat and fast food increases our bad cholesterol. Eating a diet that's very high in carbs, processed carbs, increases our triglyceride. Moreover, diet has an incredibly huge effect on blood pressure.
Now, the survey also found more than 2/3 of Americans are preparing meals at home at least 4 days a week. But clearly, there is a big need for helping people to learn how to make more affordable, healthy meals.
Yeah, and to cook, too, it sounds
Yeah,
like. A lot of
they
people
need to learn how to
Should we
prepare.
drill down on the 10% who believe that
Fast
fast food is
yeah,
heart healthy?
Come on.
It's not.
That was
There's your
surprising.
definitive word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
Doc.
Thanks, Doc.